Hey, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Actually, it's not going to be about crypto at all. We might have an opportunity for you or someone you might know. We're looking for video makers and content creators to help us make these amazing YouTube videos for you, the viewer. So if this sounds interesting, please stick around. So we're looking for passionate or creative filmmakers or videographers that would be interested in coming and living with us in the jungles of Guatemala for a stay of anywhere from 2 months upwards to a year at the Utopia Eco Hotel. So we're not necessarily looking for the person with the best equipment, but we are looking for a person full of inspiration and a lot of creativity. So if you didn't know, we actually have 2 channels. We have the Utopia Experience, which is about our family and our life here in the jungle. And we also have another channel, which is about crypto and gaming, and it's called Cryptopia. We're going to leave several links to some of our favorite videos below, so you can check those out and kind of get an idea of what we're looking for and the kind of content that we're creating. So what we're offering is free room and board here at Utopia Eco Hotel, as well as giving you some free time to work on your passion projects, improve your portfolio, hone your skills, and become a better filmmaker yourself, and at the same time, helping us create some amazing content for our channels. So if this sounds interesting to you or anyone you may know, we're going to leave our contact details in the description below. We're also going to leave a link to the Eco Hotel if you ever want to just come and stay here and visit us in the jungle. Hope to see you here soon. Have a great day, Cryptopians.